Here are some super simple and cheap ways to make your room feel more aesthetic. Flowers. I have this terrible obsession with buying flowers, and I literally buy them once a week. When you have something alive in your space, I think it makes it feel so much more vibrant. And contrary to popular belief, they are actually not expensive. You can find them in your local grocery store or your local farmer's market for under $5. Bed sheets. When you think about it, your bed is the focal point of your room, and usually it takes up the most space as well. So the way your bed looks can really make or break your environment. I personally love white bed sheets. I think they look clean and sophisticated, and it opens up the space. But choose whatever color or pattern expresses your personal style and ties in with your overall aesthetic. Knobs. Silver hardware is pretty standard for most desks and drawers that you find in inexpensive places. So what I like to do is change out the knobs on those drawers. And it's super easy too. All you really need is a screwdriver, and the knobs you can find at your local hardware store. Picture frames. I used to use Scotch tape and bush pins to hang things up on my walls. But once I took a museum studies class in college, I learned the importance of picture frames. Not only does it add a polished, finished look to your artwork, but it also adds longevity. And you can find these pretty much anywhere: Amazon, IKEA, or even your local secondhand store. Keeping an aesthetic space is one of the ways I avoid creative burnout. And you guys can learn more about that in one of my previous videos right here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.